What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. Your man BG. I'm on my way home. I'm very excited. Excuse the shakiness. I don't have no tripod, but my Note 9 is at the house. What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. You already see what it is. Got the big boy on deck, the Galaxy Note 9, and not the regular one either. It's that 512 gigabyte, 8 gigs of RAM Galaxy Note 9 from Verizon, Ocean Blue. So we're gonna go ahead and just get into the unboxing because I'm really excited about this. Been waiting on it. UPS got it out a little earlier to me. So shout out to, not UPS, I'm sorry, FedEx. FedEx got it out in good time. As you can see, it's the new box. It's got the S Pen on the front. You know, it comes with that yellow S Pen the Ocean Blue does. Let's do a little comparison. Got the old box right here. Here go the Note 8 box. Just had Note 8 on it. The S Pen off to the side. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox it because I cannot wait to see this beauty. Honestly, I'm keeping the box to the side to hide some of my private information. But before I even take the box, let's take a look. Okay, you see, it's got the S Pen like embedded into the box. Really nice packaging. Let's see on the back what's going on. Got the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Got the S Pen in there. SIM card pre-installed. Stereo headset. The USB connector and some books. So yeah, the typical what we expected is in the box. So boom, here it is. Open the box. As you can see, sleeve like so. You know I'm gonna save that. Definitely gonna save the sleeve. Galaxy Note 9. Now, first we got the books inside this little box right here. We got a SIM card, ejection tool, yeah. Books. I'm not reading none of that. Not worried about any of that right now. And here it is. We have the beauty. The beauty right here, the Galaxy Note 9, y'all. So I can kind of see the blue from the front on the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up. It's got a little tab on it. See if I can get it up out of here. But I'm just flipping the whole box over because so much anticipation. I don't want to peel the screen yet. Oh man, they give me a hard way to go. With no nails, this phone is hard to get out the box. Here we're gonna try and grab onto this. Whatever this is right here, we're gonna keep this live. We're gonna keep it rolling. Here it is, I got it. There it is. Ocean Blue. And the funny thing is, at this angle, I guess in this room, Ocean Blue looks a little closer to the Sapphire than I thought it did. It looks a little closer to Sapphire than I originally thought. I thought it was gonna be more electric, but it's almost like a navy. Not bad looking. You know, I've seen this device before in Best Buy. So we got the screen. Everything's still black out front. Everything's nice and blacked out. I like that. Keep the front black and then just leave the color on the back. No bezels with color on them, black bezels. Very nice look. You got Galaxy Note 9 on the back. This is the Verizon device. No Verizon logo on here at all. See new fingerprint scanner placement. Looking very nice. Look at that, it is. Just set it over there. Boom. Note 9 chilling as it should. And I'm gonna show you the S Pen in a minute. I ain't even really ready to pull that out. So let's see what's under the device. And we got your basics. Fast charging. Fast adaptive charging brick. We already know what that's about. Okay. Little box off to the side, as you can see, with Samsung on it. We've got a couple things in here. Let's not get too excited. Got a Type A to Type USB-C cable for Samsung. as we had in our other previous Galaxy devices. I got a fresh pair of 8kg headphones. I like that. When I pull out my new Samsung device to get a free pair of 8kg headphones, that's dope, man. I really like that. That's a nice touch, Samsung. Removal for the S Pen tip. There's some extra tips. And last but not least, USB, the Type A to USB-C converter. So that's what was in this box. Just sit this back and then leave everything out. Let me see if there's anything there. Nothing else. So that's everything in the box. I'm not gonna sit here and destroy the box, because when Note 10 season come, Note 10 season come, I'm gonna have to do it all over again. We'll put the box in there. We're gonna take a look at the device. Take a look at the S Pen. Boom. See these angles? So sticking on that. It's looking beautiful. I'm gonna let y'all catch this. I'll go ahead and take the plastic off. Let's see. There go my mic. Y'all get that with me? I want y'all to hear this. Is that nice? Should have slowed it down. I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all take a look at the S Pen. Let's give it a nice little slide it out like so. There it is. At first I wanted a fan, but it looks dope. This gold on yellow. Let me see if I get some focus going on. Gold on yellow looks dope. I don't care what nobody said. Some light in here for y'all. That gold on yellow looks really nice. I like these touches, man. I like what Samsung doing with this phone. I like the power of the phone. I like the raw good lookingness of the phone. Let me take this autofocus off. Okay, we back in focus. I like the raw, just how good the phone looks. This, I'm gonna get used to this. This is different. The camera setup got dual cameras, and you got your fingerprint scanner under here. Then you got your flash and your heart rate monitor, things of that nature. But yeah, just a dope. Look at that blue. That blue resonates with me because it's more navy than I thought it was. Even though this ain't big steps, you know, this is just a simple unboxing. But take a look. That's the Note 8 compared to the Note 9. Small differences. Let me see. This phone is definitely thicker though. The Note 9 definitely feels thicker. Definitely feels a little heftier than the Note 8. Yeah, it's definitely thicker and a little heftier than the Note 8. But the heaviness, the weight, you barely notice it, but you feel that it's a little thicker because it's got that 4,000 milliamp battery. So I definitely take that thickness, no doubt. But I'm just gonna power it up for you guys, see what it looks like on power up, and then we're gonna get into some more videos. But yeah, it is Samsung Galaxy Note 9, powered by Android. See, get some animation, okay. Okay, and then we got some Verizon animation. Then I'm sure we're gonna have to set it up. Definitely gonna have to get into setting it up. But this is the unboxing. This is what you get in the box with the Galaxy Note 9. You get your USB cable. You get your S Pen tips with the remover. You get your charging brick, fast charging adaptive charging brick. Get your 8kg earbuds, and you get a converter for USB-A to USB-C. It's your man BG Tech Life. Is the unboxing of the Galaxy Note 9, 512, 8 gigs of RAM. We're gonna get big coverage of this on my channel. So yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed. It's my BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.